Not us seeing Umusam Seleku on the regular, like he is there all day, every day. Welcome to our house and let us break it down ukuthi what happened on Izingane Zesthembu. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, Umusam Seleku decided to go and see his children in Joburg, right? Abongwe cooked a beautiful meal for them and he asked to see Utirelo. Okay, he had a meeting with Utirelo where he was explaining Utirelo Guti, I know Guti Aniko right Nosbindi, but do not let him lobolaring another woman make your relationship even unstable. I was like, what is that Umseleku trying to say exactly? But Utirelo cried and said he loves Usbindi and Usbindi knows Uguti Tirelo loves him wholeheartedly. And therefore, he's doing all this because he knows that at this moment in time, he won't be anything. However, Tirelo did say Uguti, if she is not the first wife, then she will just be the girlfriend. She is refusing to be the second wife because she arrived first. And this reminded me of the same thing that happened on the last season where Vuyokazi left because she was not done the first wife. Now, in everything, Utirelo gave Spindi an ultimatum, saying to Umpumelelo, if you continue to make Amahle your first wife, I will not take your hand in marriage. But Utirelo did more than that. Utirelo went clubbing with Umpilo Entle, with Abongwe, with Usne, and they had discussed that whatever happens in groove stays in groove. But Ugirl did not honor that. When she got home, she told Usbindi exactly what happened, and Usbindi mentioned that he does not think Uguti he will be able to marry Umakale anymore, considering that she now drinks. Now Utirelo blamed everything on Usne, and Usne clarified the whole story, explaining how and why Utirelo ordered herself alcohol. According to Sne's words, was that Utirelo was stressed about her relationship with Umpumelelo, and therefore she needed something strong to make her feel better, which was alcohol, and they all ordered a jugs of alcohol. Now this does not sit well, no Babum Seleko, because he is now worried to who is going to take over his legacy if all the children are busy drinking alcohol. Remember, Omestem Seleko does not want alcohol, does not promote the consumption of alcohol because he believes that a lot of future or dreams are destroyed by the consumption of alcohol. What did you think about Izingane Zesthembu, the episode that just aired? Let us know in the comment section down below.